Hey, this is Fran and this is Kamen Rider Geats DX Bujin Sword Buckle Demo. So here it is. After a day of negotiation, I finally get it. So this item is used by Kamen Rider Tycoon to access to its final form, the Tycoon Bujin Sword, which is actually my personal favorite. So sorry Geats 9, you might be look cool, but the other one is way more cooler than it. So let's go with the specifications. As you can see, it has the Tycoon signature colors. And about the size of it, if we're going to compare it to the Geats 9, it's much wider than the Bujin sword. So yeah, the size is doesn't matter after all. The main centerpiece of this is this sword. The interesting part of it is you can pop it off. So here it is. So if we pull it out like this, you can see that angry raccoon on the blade. Uh, so yeah, you can draw it like that, but you cannot draw it quickly, so because this stick screwed up on the back. So and now let's do with the sounds, and to do that is we're going to pull the handle out, and that's a very satisfying sound. So that's the sound of the unsheathing the blade and then pull back. It's like bringing the blade back to the scabbard. Now let's do some henshin. I already brought back the good old star driver with the Tycoon ID core on it. And now we're going to do this is by pulling out that and insert it. Sound by sound and pull it. Now to access the finisher is we're going to pull back the blade. Here goes the standby music and pull. And that's the Bujin sword strike. And now to access the second finisher is we're going to do the same thing. Then pull back and then hit again. There's a new one, the new standby sound, and pull. And that's the Bujin sword victory. So Bujin sword can also access into different forms. To do that is we're going to move the left side. And we're going to replace it with another buckle. So I'm going to use the boost buckle. Now let's do the finisher. Alright, so that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you on the next demo. Ciao. Henshin.